Hello, my name is Naomi and this is Creating Naomi, where I make all kinds of things. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this soap using tea tree oil, and coconut milk. If that sounds like something you'd like to see, just keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is just start weighing out my additives and fragrances. I'm using tea tree oil first. And for the colors, I am using activated charcoal. And I am also using Moringa Powder. So here I'm just preparing my lye water solution. I am using ice cubes just because this stuff gets really hot and this just helps keep the temperature down. As you can see, I'm using my long rubber kitchen gloves because this stuff can get really hot and can be really dangerous and burn your skin. I am also wearing safety goggles. Once it's all combined, I screw on the lid and set that aside. Next, I'm going to be weighing out my coconut oil. This soap is using only one oil, and that is coconut oil, so I'm using quite a bit of it. I'm also going to be using some coconut milk in this. This has no added gums or sweeteners, it's just coconut and water. Here I am just adding the tea tree oil into my oil and milk. Then I go ahead and add in my lye water solution and blend. Then I went ahead and separated this into two smaller containers so I could mix my colors in. Once those were ready, I just started pouring them into my mold. They got really thick, way thicker than I was expecting, so there really is no rhyme or reason to why I was pouring them in the way I was. I was just trying to get them out of the container. Here I'm just going through it with a toothpick, trying to mix everything up and then texturing the top. After about 24 to 48 hours, I can't remember which, I unmolded this and measured out 1-inch bars and started cutting. I am using a cheese slicer to cut this, but it works really beautifully. I really love how each bar looks completely different, and I'm really happy with the results here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And thank you so much to anyone who has supported my channel. You really make it possible for these videos to even happen at all. If you'd like to support my channel, please check out the link in my description under Buy Me A Kombucha. Thank you so much for watching.